Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to disable blue tick reading on WhatsApp. Okay, that means someone send you a message. If you open that message, then it will be send a blue ticks. So how to disable that? So you can easily read someone message without they are knowing you read that message. So open your WhatsApp, then select three dots. You can see here, select on three dots, then go to settings, then select privacy option. You can see here, and you can see the option of read receipts. Okay, you can simply turn off these settings from here. And one more thing, the bonus tip is, if you turn off these things, you can simply watch anyone's status without they know you have watched their status. And also, if you turn off this function, if you send a message to someone and they are read that message, then you don't know actually they are read that message or not. It is only show double tick. That means they have received the phone, received your message on their phones, and also someone sent you a message, you read that message, but actually it is not showing blue tick, but they can see the message is delivered or not. They can see double ticks. Okay, and if you turn off these settings and if you post a status, then someone watch that status, then also you cannot see who is watching. So if you turn off these settings, then you post your status and wait for how many people see that. It actually not showing that, it's only show 0 views. So that's guys a very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.